Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, the error code subscription not recognized can be especially confusing because you are paying for Amazon Music Unlimited, but the app is active like you have no subscription at all. So the error usually means there is a communication breakdown between the app and Amazon server, or your subscription status isn't syncing correctly. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue and get back to enjoying all your premium features. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first thing first, go and check your subscription status. Open a web browser and go to amazon.com. Basically look for login screen so you can log into your Amazon account and navigate to accounts and lists. Look for memberships and subscriptions, then look for Amazon Music Unlimited. Verify that it's active and that your payment method is fully updated. If it's expired or payment failed, update your payment method and basically resubscribe. You can also go ahead and check your region. Amazon Music subscriptions are region specific. If you have moved like countries or changed your Amazon region, your subscription might not carry over. So in a browser, check that your Amazon account's default region matches the region where you purchased your subscription. If you recently moved, you may need to cancel and resubscribe in your basically new region, or you can easily contact the support, send in the details, send them that you changed location and that the Amazon current app isn't working, and they're gonna help you out. And that was it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.